Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review video on this wonderful little box here. I have a bunch of stamping plates, but I don't use regular nail polish anymore, so I'm selling all of my regular nail polish, and I went ahead and bought some gel stamping polish. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this is about. This I bought off of Amazon. I'll leave a link for it down below. This was just because I'm in the middle of doing a set for a girl in Northern Ireland. Shout out to Ireland. And the design she wanted was an old design that I had done, and it required stamping polish. And so I had gotten rid of everything else, my stampers, my squishy plates, scrapers, all that. So this is the first time I've ever opened this. Your presenter, made with love. Okay. So it's nice packaging. On opening, move this out the way. So it comes with instructions for a polygel kit, because this is not polygel, but okay. So there's instructions for a polygel kit. Yeah, it's all 100% polygel instructions. Okay, so this is trash. Alright, so in the box we have, this one came with a bunch of colors. So this is yellow, white, red, emerald green. Ooh, there's 8 colors. Black, royal blue, golden, and rose pink. Ooh. It also comes with liquid peel-off tape in white and liquid peel-off tape in pink. Don't know if there's a difference between the colors. I won't be using it. It comes with 2 jelly stampers. Ooh, and scrapers. It's good that they included 2. And a scraper. And another jelly and scraper. And then it comes with some plates. And it comes with 4, oh shit. There's like 4 plates. So, no particular brand, but here's like Christmas, some Halloween themed. Okay, those are cute. Not going to use them. I have a different design picked out than the one that was on my nails. And today we're only going to be using black, so the rest of these can go inside of the folder. So this plate I bought from Wish. Don't know. Yeah, it's a Born Pretty plate, so BPL30 for anybody who wonders. And I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the blue layer. So it's a really pretty lattice work. And so these glow. It's my first set that I've done that glows. We're gonna see what this is about because I needed some gel. So here's the oh, it's a nice little tube with a nice activator too. Oh, and they're even numbered with the hollow sticker. I love hollow. Okay, so we're gonna go for this. I do like, ooh, it's thick. I like the applicator piece for sure. Right, so I've done stamping before, so you put it on there, scrape, and you do it a couple times to get a nice even coat. it's very thick polish. So I'm actually, normally you don't save it, but I'm saving that because that's a lot. I really hope that this shows up, but this is still a lot of polish, guys. Picks up very nicely. I like the fact that you can see straight through it too. It's down pretty nice. I like that a lot, actually. That was actually one of the most painless stamping that I've ever done, like ever. So here I just have some alcohol. Some free wipes. I'm just gonna wipe this down and I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the nail, because that looks good. So straight out the box, it's great. 100%. Like I said, I'm not being paid to review this, but it's good. I've also read online not to use alcohol with this, but to use tape. But I don't have tape in my house right now, so that's a tip. Here on the second one. Definitely do not use acetone. I feel like this is, because it's gel, it should be okay. So with all this extra polish, so I went ahead and just time-lapsed the rest of it through and top-coated everything and cured it off camera. I want to know if you guys like this style of narration where it's just my live edit. I didn't edit anything here, as you can tell. The music is still playing in the background, and I'm so sorry if you can't hear anything over it. But I really want to know if you guys like my initial reactions. I really do enjoy doing this kind of videos, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Once I've finished, again, like I said, I top coat and cure everything, and this is the final look. A cute little bee just happened to fly on that flower right there when I took the picture, and it worked out so perfectly. There's a really pretty, and they're off to Northern Ireland. I hope this girl enjoys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.